Good morning everyone. Myself G. Lavanya, working as a guest lecturer in TTWRDC Kamam. In this video, I have to discuss about that few things, mean the few points. What is the definition of the sphere? What is the general equation of the sphere? What is the equation of the sphere with the ends of the diameter? We have to solve the problems on this topic. Before going to the topic, generally we have to see that so many things in our daily life which are in that spherical shape. What are that? We have to observe that fruits like watermelon, guava, oranges, these are in that spherical shape. We are living on the earth. The earth is in which shape? The shape of the earth is in spherical shape. The shape of the earth is in spherical shape. We are rounding that volleyball, football, these are the things which are in that spherical shape. We have to observe those things. This is the spherical shape. We already know that definition of the circle. What is the definition of the circle? Is the locus of the point which is at a particular distance from a fixed point in two-dimension geometry is called as a circle. In three-dimension geometry is called as a sphere. The slight difference between that equation, the slight difference between that circle and sphere. What is the difference between that circle and sphere? Here it is that the locus of the point which is at a particular distance from a fixed point to this circle, means this fixed point is called as the center of the circle. This is the point, the distance between the point from the point on the circle, the distance from the fixed point to is called as that radius. And what is that? This is also the shape of the circle, means this is also the shape of the geometry. This is in three-dimensional geometry. The locus of the point which is at a particular distance from a fixed point in three call it as a sphere, is called as a sphere. Here it is the fixed point. This fixed point is called as that center of point. Any point, distance from the fixed point to the any point on this sphere is called as that radius of the sphere. What is that slight difference between that circle? If a circle is rotated about its diameter is called as the, then it forms a sphere. If a circle is rotated about its diameter is called a sphere, then it forms a sphere. This is that slight difference. Sphere, circle has a two-dimensional figure and sphere, circle can be drawn on a plane, sphere cannot be drawn on a plane. Circle has no volume and sphere has volume. Sphere has volume. Before going to the topic, we have to know the definition of the sphere. What is the definition of the sphere? The locus of the point which is at a constant distance from a fixed point in the space is called as a sphere. This is that fixed point, means we have to observe these things. This is the fixed point. This fixed point is called as the center of the sphere, and this point is called as the, what is the distance between that CP is called as that radius of the sphere. How do we solve that radius of the sphere? This is the point C point. C point is A comma B comma C, and point on the sphere is X comma. We know that definition, the distance between those 2 points under root of x minus a whole square plus z minus c whole square. This is the distance. CP distance is equal to the r square. CP distance is equal to the r square. The locus of the point which is at a constant distance from a fixed point in the space is called as a sphere. The constant distance is called as a radius of the sphere, and that fixed point is called as a center of the sphere. Here it is that equation of the sphere. There is in the form of the same as that of the equation of the sphere. Circle is in two-dimensional But the circle, the equation of the circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. In this equation, we have to observe that three-dimensional geometry, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square is equal to r square. And point is equal to the, already we have to explain that point is equal to the x comma y comma z. This is the point on the center of the sphere a comma b comma c. We have to find out the then distance is equal to the radius of the sphere. Here it is the distance is equal to the radius of the sphere. What is the general equation of the sphere? What is the general equation of the sphere? Means standard equation of the sphere. That is that a standard equation of the sphere means here it is that x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. This is the standard equation of the sphere. By adding of those two terms, plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d. By adding and subtracting those terms, use plus w square minus u square minus v square minus w square is equal to 0. We have to add and subtract. The equation will be the same. Means we have to observe that x square plus 2ux plus is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus, write it as that x plus u whole square plus y plus v whole square plus z plus w whole square minus u square minus v square minus w square plus d is equal to 0. We have to shift that side, means x plus u whole square plus y plus v whole square plus z plus w whole square is equal to u square plus v square plus w square minus d. V square plus w square plus v square minus d. Means this is that x plus u whole square plus v whole square plus z plus w whole square is equal to under root of v square plus w square minus d whole square. The whole square root will be cancelled. The equation is same. The equation is same. Okay. In this equation we have to observe that, what is that? In this equation we have that x square plus y square plus u square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. The equation will be changed to the x plus u whole square plus v whole square plus z plus w whole square under root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d whole square. This is that general and standard equation of the sphere. We have to observe that one condition here. It is that x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square, x minus c whole square plus z minus c whole square plus x plus u whole square plus y plus v whole square plus z plus w whole square is equal to r square. That is that r is the radius of the sphere. This is the radius of the sphere. But one condition here is that radius is always greater than or equal to 0. This condition is always greater than or equal to 0. When radius is less than 0, that is undefined term. The sphere is undefined the sphere. U square plus v square plus w square minus d is greater than or equal to 0. The sphere is defined sphere. u square plus v square plus w square is equal to d, then the sphere is called as that, means u square plus v square equal to 0, the sphere is called as that point sphere. The sphere is called as that point sphere. Here is that we have to observe that things. Next we have to go through the another video. Next we have to solve the one problem based on this topic. Find the center of the sphere is, we have to given the one equation, x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 6z is equal to 2. The equation we have to compare, the given equation is in the form of x square plus u square plus, given equation is in the form of x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. What is that? Comparing the u term, v term, w term in the above equation, 2u is equal to minus 2 equal to minus 6, d is equal to minus 2. We have to get that equation. We have to get the equation is 2u is equal to minus 2 1 and v is 2v is equal to 4. We have to get that v is equal to 2, 2w is equal to minus 6, w is equal to minus 3 and d is equal to minus 2. What is the center of this sphere? We have to comparison the equation. Center of this sphere is minus u minus v minus w. Minus of minus 1 is 1, minus 2, minus of minus 3 is 3. Means center of this sphere is 1 comma minus 2 comma 3 and radius, we have to using the formula find out the radius, means r equals under root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d is equal to 0. U square plus v square plus w square minus d is equal to 0. Root of 1 plus 4 plus 9 minus of minus 2 means plus 2. 9 is 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 1 14, 14 plus 2 16, that is equal to root of 16, that is equal to the 4. Means under root of 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2 is equal to the root 16, that is equal to the 4. What is the radius of the sphere is? Radius of this sphere is r is equal to the of this sphere is equal to the 1 comma minus 2 comma 3. Here it is the center of the sphere. Next we have to find out that equation of the sphere with ends of the diameter. With the ends of the diameter. What is that equation of the sphere? We have to observe the figure. We have to observe that figure. This is the figure. We have to look at the picture. Look at the picture. We have to observe that this is the one end of the diameter a x1 y1 z1, b x2 y2 z2 and p is equal to the x comma y comma z. Before going to the topic, we have to know the definition of the, before going to the topic, we have to know the definition of the DRS and definition of the direction cosines. A straight line makes an angle with the positive directions of x, y, z axis with the cosine angles is called as that direction cosines. What is the direction ratios? Any three numbers which are proportional to the direction cosines is called as that direction ratios. We have to find out the direction ratios of the any 2 points is equal to the a y1 z1 and b x2 y2 z2, b x2 y2 z2. Here is the 2 points. Here is the 2 points. We have to find out that the direction ratios of those 2 points means x2 minus x1 wholes comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1. This is the direction ratios of the those 2 points. What is the direction cosines? We have to denote it as that L1 M1 N1. This is the one line of the direction cosines. This is the another line of the direction cosines, L2 M2 N2. These two lines are perpendicular when that direction cosines is equal to the 0. Multiply of their cosines is equal to the 0. Means L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equal to the 0. When two straight lines are perpendicular, this is the formula. Means we have to get that equation of the sphere of the line joining of the 2 points. We have to observe that what is that equation of the sphere. This is that sphere. This is one end of the diameter. This is another end of the diameter. This point is x1, y1, z1 and this point is x2, y2, z2. These are the 2 points of the ends of the diameter. This is another point P on the sphere. P is equal to the x comma y comma z. This is the point. Here it is, we have to find out that direction ratios of AP. We have to find out the direction ratios of the AP and direction ratios of the BP. We have to observe that this is the direction ratios of the 2 points P to the point C. Means direction ratios of the point to the sphere. Means AP x minus x1 comma y minus y1 comma z minus z1 and BP are x minus x2 comma y minus y2 minus z2. These two lines are perpendicular when the direction ratio is applicable for this. L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equal to 0. Here in that formula we have to apply that x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus z minus z1 into z minus z2 is equal to 0, which is that required equation of the sphere. Equation of the sphere we have to given the two ends of the diameter sphere. This is the required equation of the sphere. Means this is the we have to find out that equation of the sphere with the ends of the diameter a x1 comma y1 comma z1 is given the points a x1 comma y1 comma z1 x2 comma y2 comma z2 and two ends of the diameter. How to we find out the equation? We have to solve this equation. X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus z minus z1 into z minus z2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the sphere by using that two ends of the diameter. Before going to the topic, we have to solve one problem on this based on this equation. Based on this principle, the equation of the sphere described on the joining of the points A 2 comma minus 3 comma 4, B 5 minus 5 comma 6 comma minus 7 as the diameter. Here it is that this is the equation of the sphere. This is the one end of the diameter. This is the another end of the diameter. A x1 comma y1 comma z1, B x2 comma y2 comma z2. These are the two ends of the diameter. We have to joining equation of the line joining of the two ends of the diameter. How do we find out the equation of the sphere? We have to find out the equation of the sphere by using the formula x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus z minus z1 into z minus z2 is equal to 0. By we have to consider that a x1 comma y1 comma z1 is 2 comma minus 3 comma 4, b x2 comma y2 comma z2 minus 5 comma 6 comma minus 4. These are the 2 points, two ends of the diameter. These are the two ends of the diameter. Here it is the one end of the diameter, here is the another end of the diameter. These are the two ends of the diameter. By using the formula we have to apply that x1 y1 z1 in this principle. this principle, x minus 2 into x plus 5 plus y plus 3 into y minus 6 plus z minus 4 into z plus 7 is equal to 0. Here it is that what is that, apply this formula x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2. Applying this equation we have to get that x minus 2 into x minus 5 plus y plus 3 into y minus 6 plus z minus 4 into z plus 7 is equal to 0. We have to multiply those two terms, x minus 2 into x plus 5, x into x, x square plus 5x minus 2x plus 10 plus y square minus 6y plus 3y minus 18 plus z square minus 7z minus 4z minus 28 is equal to 0. This is the equation we have to solve this equation. x square plus 3x minus 10 plus y square minus 3 minus 18 plus z square plus 3z minus 28 is equal to 0. This is the equation. We have to solve this equation by using the formula. We have to get that x square plus 3x minus 10 plus y square minus 3y minus 18 plus z square plus 3z minus 28 is equal to 0. We have to using that the formula x square plus y square plus z square plus 3x minus 3y plus 3z minus 56 is equal to 0. By using that, obtain the equation here on the joining of these points. By using the equation of the formula a x1 comma y1 comma z1 2 comma minus 3 comma 4 and b x2 comma y2 comma z2 minus 5 comma 6 comma minus 7 and two ends of the diameter, we have to find out the equation of this sphere by using this formula. We have to find out the equation of the sphere by using this formula. Before going to the problem, we have to learn the what is the direction. Before going to the problem, we have to find out the what is the direction ratios. For the direction cosines means a straight line makes an angle with positive directions of x comma y comma z axis with cosine angle is called as a direction cosines. Any three numbers of a comma b comma c which are proportional to the direction cosines is called as that direction ratios. Here it is the direction cosines is denoted as that cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma and L comma M comma N. We have to using these two terms we have to denote it as the direction cosines. And direction ratios is means a comma b comma c. We have to using that equation. Any equation of a line is passing through the point with the direction cosine. By using the direction cosines, any equation of the plane is passing through the point means L into the equation of the plane is L into x minus x1 plus m into y minus y1 plus n into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Here it is the point is x1 y1 z1. This the point is passing through the plane by using the direction cosines. Any a plane is passes through. Before going to the problem, we have to learn all those things. Means problem is a plane is passing through a fixed point a comma b comma c. Show that the locus of the foot of the perpendicular to it from the origin is the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus by minus cz is equal to 0. Any plane is passing through that a comma b comma c is, if a line is passing through the point is L into x minus x1 plus m into y minus y plus n into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Means L into point is a comma b is the point, and that we have to find any plane is passing through the point. We have to find out the equation is L into x minus a plus m into y minus b plus n into z minus c is equal to 0. Next we have to see that foot of the perpendicular from origin to the plane. We have to consider a plane. Any line is perpendicular to the plane is called as the normal line. We have to draw so many lines over there, so many normal lines in the plane like this. So we have to, any line with makes that direction cosine. Means we have a direction cosines is unique and direction ratios are different. Means the foot of the perpendicular of the line is the equation a line O from the origin to the point is equation of the line O origin O is equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0 and P is equal to the x comma y comma z. Means the line is passes through the point is x minus x1 by minus y1 by m is equal to z minus z1 by n. This is the point passes through the plane equation. This is that x minus 0 by L is equal to y minus 0 by m is equal to z minus 0 by n. Then we have to get the equation is x by L equals y by m equals z by n. These are the equation of the line OP. OP is the foot of the perpendicular from the plane. Look at this picture. OP is the foot of the perpendicular. The foot of the perpendicular is that point of intersection of those two lines. We have to get the equation is x by L is equal to y by m is equal to z by n. By equating R, we have to get that L, m, n values. Means x by L, we have to get that x by L is equal to R, L equals x by R. And like this, similarly, m is equal to y by R and n is equal to z by R. We have to substitute those LMN values by equation 1. Had to substitute that LMN values by equation 1. L into means x by R into x minus a, R into y minus b plus z by R into z minus c is equal to 0. These are the equations we have to get that equation of the plane foot of the perpendicular from the origin to the sphere. Means we have to solve this equation x by, we have to solve this equation x by R into x minus a plus y by R into y minus b plus z by R into z minus c is equal to 0. This is that equation of this sphere is x by R into x minus a means x square minus ax we have to get that equation is x by R into x minus a plus y by R into y minus b plus z by R into z minus c is equal to 0. This is the equation we have to get. X into x by R into x minus a means x by R into x minus a means x square minus ax plus y square minus by plus z square minus zc is equal to 0. The equation we have to written like this. The equation we have to write like this. X square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus by equal to 0. This is the a plane passes through the fixed point a comma b comma c. Then the locus of the foot of the perpendicular is to from the origin to the sphere. Means origin to the sphere we have to get the equation is x square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus by minus cz is equal to 0. This is the equation of the sphere. We have to get that equation. Means we have to solve one more problem before the equation to find the equation of the sphere passing through the coplanar points. A comma B, obtain the equation of the sphere is passes through the points 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 1 comma minus 1 minus 1 comma 2 comma 0 and 1 comma 2 comma 3. Before going to the problem, we have to learn that let the equation of the sphere, let the equation of the sphere is, what is the general equation of the sphere? General equation of the sphere is, here it is that x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. This is the equation of the sphere, and a point is passing through the sphere is called as that. Substituting the point in this equation, we have to get that 4 equation. Up to 4 equations we have to solve these equations. We have to get that u comma v comma w comma z by seeing this equation. Since it passes through the first point is origin, means 0 comma 0 comma 0. If the point is passing through the sphere, the point is substituting the general equation of the sphere. We have to get that equation of the sphere. Since it passes through the origin, is d is equal to 0. Then that second point we have to substitute that 0 comma 1 comma minus 1. Instead of the x comma z, we have to substitute the values of 0 comma 1 comma minus 1. It passes through the points. The equation turns into the x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz is equal to 0. The point satisfies the equation. The point is passing through the equation. Substitute the point in the equation, we have to get that v minus v, means x square means 0 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 whole square plus 2u into 0 plus 2v into 1 plus 2w into minus 1 is equal to 0. We have to get that equation 0. Simplify this equation, we have to get that equation v minus w plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. We have to get that. Means second equation, in third point is passing through the point. Instead of the point, we have to substitute the point is minus 1 comma 2 comma 0. It satisfies the general equation of the sphere. We have to get that equation is 1 plus 4 plus 0 plus 2u into minus 1 plus 2v into 2 plus 2w into 0 is equal to 0. Means we have to substitute this point. We get that equation is this equation. We get the equation is minus 2u plus 4v plus 5 is equal to 0, and we have to solve the equation is 1 comma 2 comma 3. We have to solve this equation 1 comma 2 comma 3. Instead of this equation, we have to solve that x square plus y square plus z square. X, y, z, we have to substitute the values in this equation. Means we have to get that equation is we have to get the equation is 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2u into 1 plus 2v into plus 2v into 2 plus 2w into 3 is equal to 0. 2u plus 4v plus 6w plus 14 is equal to 0. This is the third equation. We have to substitute the equation of the sphere. We have to substitute the equation of the sphere. By solving these three equations, we have to get that values of u comma v comma w. Means we have to solve these equations. Means first equation is this v minus w plus 1 is equal to 0, and second equation is this 2u plus 4v plus 5 is equal to 0, plus third equation is 2u plus 4v plus 6w plus 14 is equal to 0. This is the third equation of the sphere. This is the third equation of the sphere. We have to get the values of the sphere. Means 2u plus 4v plus 6w plus 14 is equal to 0. We have to simplify these equations. We have to get the values of u comma v comma w. U is equal to minus 15 by 14, v is equal to minus 25 by 14, plus w is equal to, we have to get the value minus 11 by 14. By substituting all those equations in all those values in the equation of the general equation of the sphere, we have to get that new equation. General equation of the sphere means x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. In this equation, we have to substitute the values of u comma v comma w comma d is equal to 0. These are the equations of the we have to get that new equation passes through the 4 points. When the 4 points are non-coplanar, means 4 points are non-coplanar, we have to get the equation, required equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into v minus 15 by 14 into x plus 2 into minus 25 by 14 into minus 11 by 14 into z. On the simplifying this equation, we have to get that x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into minus 15 by 14 means minus 30 by 14 into x plus minus 50 by 14 into y plus minus 22 by 14 into z is equal to 0. This is the new equation. We have to get that, substitute the values of u comma v comma w. On simplifying this equation, we have to get that new equation 7 into x square plus y square plus z square minus 15x minus 25y minus 11z is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the sphere. Before going to the topic, what are the points we have to learn is what is the definition of the sphere means. Once recall the knowledge, the locus of the point which is at a constant distance from a fixed point in this space is called as the sphere, and the constant distance is called as the radius of the sphere, and the fixed point is called as the center of the sphere. What is of the sphere? Under root of x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square is equal to r square. This is the equation of the sphere. What is the general equation of the sphere is, here it is that x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. This is the general equation of the sphere. We have to get that. Means next we have to go through the third definition. Ends of the diameter, when we have to find out the equation of the sphere by using with ends of the diameter a x1 y1 z1 b x2 y2 z2. These are the two ends of the diameter. We get the equation of the sphere is, here it is that x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus z minus z1 into z minus z2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the sphere by the two ends of the diameter. We are using that formula. We have to get that 4 problems we have to solve. That a plane passes through a fixed point a comma b comma c. Show that the locus of the point, show that the locus of the foot of the perpendicular to it from the origin is the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus by minus cz is equal to 0. This is the one of the problem solved as to find the equation of the sphere by using that 4 non-coplanar points, means 4 non-collinear points. By using this equation, we have to get that how to we solve the equation of the sphere it is. Next we have to go through the another problem. A variable plane passes through a fixed point a comma b comma c and cuts the coordinate axis in the points a comma b and c. Show that the locus of the centers of the sphere is a comma b comma c is 2. Before we have to go through the picture, these are the 3 coordinate axes. These are the 3 coordinate axes, whereas that x, y and z, it cuts the coordinate axis. It cuts the coordinate axis y, z and x axis. When it is cut the coordinate axis, the coordinates are is equal to the z. It cuts the x axis, it cuts the y axis, it cuts the z axis when the coordinates are is equal to the 0. Before going to the topic, we have to solve this equation. Let the equation of the sphere be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux vy plus 2wz is equal to 0. It cuts the coordinate axis y equals z equals 0, and it cuts the yz axis. We have to get that the equation is x square plus 2ux is equal to 0, x into x plus 2u is equal to 0, whereas that x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 2. We get the two values. We find the coordinate axis. It cuts the coordinate axis. The points we have to find out that points. a equal to 2u comma minus 2u comma 0 comma 0, and it cuts the xz axis. We have to get that 0 comma minus 2v comma 0. It cuts this coordinate axis c 0 comma 0 comma minus 2w. Before going to that problem, we have to solve this problem. A variable plane through a fixed point. When is the fixed point? It is the, look at the picture. Here it is the fixed point a comma b comma c, and it cuts the coordinate axis. It cuts the coordinate axis. We have to solve this. We have to solve this. It cuts the coordinate axis a comma b comma c, so that the locus of the centers of the sphere, so that the locus of the centers of the sphere it is formed as like this. Sphere it is formed as like this. This is the sphere. That sphere. When that equation we have to solve, the equation of the plane is a comma abc is x minus 0 by minus 2u plus y minus 0 by minus 2v plus z minus 0 by minus 2w is equal to 0. X by minus 2u plus y by minus 2v plus z by minus 2w is 1. It passes through the a comma b comma c, and hence a by point is passes through the fixed point a by minus 2u plus b by minus 2v plus c by minus 2w is equal, means that implies a by minus u plus b by minus v plus c by minus w is equal to 2. The equation, since the center of the sphere, what is the general equation? Center of the sphere is minus u comma minus v comma minus w. Then the locus of the centers is a by x plus b by y plus c by z is equal to 0. This is the equation of the sphere. We have to find that formula. It cuts the variable plane through a fixed point a comma b comma c. It variable plane, it cuts the coordinate axis a comma b comma c, and find out that, show that the locus of the centers of the sphere of this equation is a by x plus b by y plus c by z is equal to 2. We have to show like this. We have to show like this. A by x is equal to the b by y plus c by z is equal to the 2. This shows like this. I hope all of you understand those topics. Thank you.